Okay, everybody, they have arrived. These are our new Unity leggings. They are a completely different blend than we've ever done before. And the moons have aligned, you guys. These are a blend of 81% polyamide, which I guess is another word for nylon. Nylon is a DuPont word, so it's trademarked, but polyamide and 19% lycra. You guys, this blend is like nothing else. It is the butteriest soft, it is the barest, naked, most amazing feeling legging that we have to offer. It's supportive, but it's not super compressive. They have a matte texture, so they're gonna be perfect for the office. They're powdery soft, super streamlined. They are so good. If you're looking for a matte legging that I can't even describe how soft and stretchy, they really have hit it out of the ballpark with these. So because they are a premium blend, they are a little bit pricier. But if you look at some of our competitors and you check out that blend, the 81% nylon or polyamide and the 19% lycra, the price point is actually amazing. It aligns with everything you want in a legging. If you know, you know. I'm being cryptic, right? Okay, so what I want to do is, for those of you that love a matte, powdery, naked, stretchy, buttery soft legging, I want your opinion and I want you to try these things. And because they're a little pricier, I want to give you a first time coupon to try them and review them for me. So if you're interested in being a test subject of these new Unity leggings, please message me and let me know because I would love to get your opinion on this new amazing blend, especially if you are a premium legging lover. Perhaps you are a self-proclaimed snob of certain brands. I was one of them. I would really love to get your feedback. So reach out, let me know. I'm pairing it with this new Cinch Havana tank, you guys. This is so cute. Super economical tank. It is our typical Havana material. So you can see it has all of the lines of ventilation. It has these little side cinches, so you could cinch it to actually make it a shorter crop. I just have it barely cinched, and I'm pairing it with my black grid bra, which is like my go-to bra. But a really cute racer back. I have tested. You're gonna get it today. These guys are squat proof. They are so good. I just cannot get over how good these are. We also have them in a cranberry color for fall. They are both 7/8 lengths right now, so I have a feeling they're going to be coming out with a full length because I definitely want these in a full length. Yoga, Pilates, you guys are going to flip over these new leggings. Okay, sizing, because they are not super compressive, they're super supportive. I don't feel, that's a strange thing because they feel naked, but I feel support, right? So they're so good, but they're not super compressive. So they're not like our light and tights where they're so compressive. They are definitely just more of a supportive feel. So my true to size is a 4, and I actually am wearing a 2, and I love it. I'm used to compression. I like compression, so I did size down. So here's the deal on sizing. You can totally go true to size if you want that bare, naked, comfy feel. If you want to make sure that you can work out with them and you don't want them shifting or moving or needing to be adjusted, you can totally size down. They are so good. They are high rise. And one thing that is different, these do have the elastic and the stitching in the waistband. So they are going to stay up, you guys. When you're working out and doing all the things and twisting and bending and all the things, they are going to stay in place. So definitely you need to try these Unity leggings. So reach out and I would love to give you a first time discount code to try this new blend out because I need your opinions. I really want to know what you think, especially if you are an Align lover. Okay, everyone, have a fabulous day.